Hello guys, welcome back with another show from Crypto Market 360. In this video I'm going to talk about Ren Protocol. As you can see right now, if we look at the Binance, we can see Ren is right now at number 1 position with a 24 hours gain and almost pumped up to 50%, and right now you can see its price is 0.13 cent. So should you buy this Ren token at this price, or should you wait, or you should not touch the coin? So I will talk about Ren token price prediction and Ren token technical analysis. If we look at weekly chart, it's now I'm showing right now Ren USDT weekly chart. You can see we have seen big M pattern. So this is looks like a M pattern and it's already completed, and it made a new lower low last week. So I'm going to show you another chart which is much cooler, much easier to notice, and you can see this is weekly chart. So we have a big resistance there at around $0.25. So above $0.20 we will see a big resistance, and you can see a daily resistance there. If I switch to a daily chart, you will see, let me show you, you can see that there is a daily resistance chart around 0.16 to 17 area, and if we break this level we can expect to visit 0.24 area in if the market remains bullish. So we can see volume has is high today because of the price, and you can see last few days ago the token was in ranging after a huge dump. For a long time the coin is going down and down, it's making new lower low every day, but the last week it made the last low and it was ranging for few days, and right now it's going up for more than 2 days. So it's already made 100% up from its bottom position. As you can see, its bottom is 0.07, so it's already almost made 100%. So, and this is not look like a pump and dump project, because normally the dump happens after a few hours of pump, so it's went up organically. But there are few things that made me not interested buying this token at this price. First of all, if I go to a research page, Binance research page, you can read all about Ren Protocol, and once you decide to buy a coin, you should research everything about their tokenomics, about their current supply and total supply, how the token economy works, and what the token is all about. So you need to understand these things, their roadmap you need to understand. So first of all, let me introduce what Ren Protocol is. So Ren is a protocol that allows users to move token and other assets between blockchain. So for example, you can use Ren Bridge, by which you can drop your Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Filecoin or other coins, and then users can use this Ren Bridge to send those assets to the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum chain, Polygon chain and other blockchains. And developers can integrate Ren with decentralized app with their decentralized apps. So, and there is also another thing which is Ren Explorer, where you can track between cross-chain transactional in real time. So basically between multiple if you want to transfer your coins into different chain, you need a Ren protocol. So Ren protocol actually has a use case, but there are few things that made me not interested buying this token, which I am showing you right now. First of all, if you look at the tokenomics, you can see Ren total supply is 1 billion and current circulating supply is 1 billion. So there is not going to be any coin is coming to the market. The problem is if the tokens are in whale's hand or in people's hand. And if we look at the price, if we look at the hourly weekly candle, guys, so we can see that let me show you, the coin is going down and down, and looks like people are selling their coins and people get bored and sold their tokens, and looks like the most of the coins are right now in whales, and so they are controlling this token, I think, and that's why they may dump these tokens to the users when users trying to catch the pump, right? So these are the things. Another thing is that if you look at the, it's in top, let me go here, you can see private sale is up to 56% and public sale only 8%. So many people bought in private sale at a very cheap price, and team advisor is holding 20% and reserve is 10%. So only community and partners is 5%. So the tokenomics, the token distribution was not right, although company reserve tokens all unlocked 17 February 2018. So this token actually the tokenomics was not good, and 1 billion supply of token is maybe lot for this token, but not sure. Maybe this number is big enough in bear market. So another thing that made me not interested in buying this token, which is, you can see, let me go down here, you can see 7.8 additional product details, and if we click on this we can see ren.exchange, and this domain is for sale. I mean, where is ren.exchange, where is it? And I have no idea about this product, because what they were developing, because I was not researching this token. So you can see that you can buy their exchange, buy their domain name with $45,000. So they are selling, and where is the product? So these are the things, guys, that made me not looking good. And also if we look at their Twitter page is active, their Medium page is active, their forum is also active. This is their official websites. You can go to their forum and you can see Ren and Alameda FX fallouts. So Alameda has a big shares of Ren, so after Alameda and FTX fallout, Ren made a new low, which you can see this area. Ren made a new low few days ago after FTX and Alameda fallout. So there you can see in November 19 they posted moving on from Alameda. So they have been injured from this incident. So early last year, Alameda acquired Ren in a partnership with the previous Ren leadership to secure long-term development funding. So they are actually getting development fund from Alameda Research. And you can see last week FTX group commenced chapter 11 proceedings. They went bankrupt, and as well as Alameda group. So the goal of the Ren team has always been to launch an open source. So they are trying to bring Ren 2 protocol, which is an upgrade version. And you can see Ren 2 testnet is about to deploy their showcase and capabilities, but there is additional work. So testnet comes, harden and audit is needed, so which would not be fully ready by the end of Q4. So Q4 means only 1 month left of this year. So these things will not be ready by the end of Q4. As such, to get the Ren 2 stage where we have fully open source and community run cross-chain network, would need to secure additional funding. So they need additional funding to run Ren 2. So, and you can see that the Ren development team only has funding until the end of Q4. So what does happens? So if you don't have the fund, what you will do? You will sell your assets. So suppose team is holding 20% of their holdings. Team is holding 30% of their tokens, whatever the number is. They will sell these tokens to the users to get the funding, and with that funding they will develop. So if you it's very risky to join this pump. If you buy this token, it may go high and you can sell and you can make profit, but if they start selling their tokens for funding, then you will be a bag holder for a long time. And right now if we look at this, 1 billion supply, total supply and circulating supply, and it's 93% down from its all-time high, which was 1.82, and you can see market cap is right now 128 million, which is not a small amount in this bear market. So we have many coins that has 9 million market cap, 10 million market cap, 20 million market cap. So this coin is 10x bigger than those coins, so there is no need to buy this token at this time. So they are actually trying to find a way to get the funding, and they will do many discussions and proposals will come. So this is a long article, you need to understand. So although the token looks active, the token is good, the token has a utility which is good, but the problem is they got funding from Alameda Research, which went bankrupt, and they have funding development until Q4. So until this year they have a development fund, so they are looking for a development fund and they are not sure from where they will get. But I think as the project is good, and CZ in tweet says that they are developing a way by which they can help those projects which are good. So maybe Ren will come under the eye of CZ, and if it's something like that, we can see a big pump in this coin. But until the news developed, it's not a good idea to enter this token. But you can see I have already showed you in technical analysis where is the resistance, where is the support, so you can trade according to your way. So thank you guys, let me know about Ren Protocol, let me know what I have missed, what I should cover, so I will make another video about this token in upcoming days with better explanation. So thank you guys, goodbye.